Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl Debbie from down a yard? Oh, no pretty? Everything correct? Now, today, we aren't doing any cooking. We're not doing any form of kitchen work. I just want to take this opportunity to, with you and myself, to wish us all our very first Tube-versary. Today is my first year on YouTube. Today marks it the 19th of March 2017. It was a Sunday to be exact that I stood right here. I uploaded my intro. Yes, I videoed my intro and uploaded it to YouTube. So I just want to say to you, thank you so much. On behalf of my family, myself, my son, my daughter, camera girl to be exact, that is the face behind the camera, and last but not least, my daughter-in-law, Kimmy, big up yourself. I also want to say to you, thank you so much. It has been a year of it was just good. It was just all good. It could not be possible without you all. Thank you so much. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, from the pit of my soul, every vein, every nerve that runs inside my body. Thank you. I have entered this platform. I have put out my content and you have embraced it. You have left your comments so much in the comment section. You have given your views and you have said to YouTube with your views and your comments, yes, we want this Jamaican woman to stay on this platform. Thank you. 6,000 and counting. Thank you so much, each and every single one of you. All over. It's just teddy bear hugs and kisses, and thank you so much. And I just want to take this little time out especially to say an extended thank you to 3 of my fellow YouTubers. 2 have been there way ahead of me, and 1 has just come, but she has been supporting from before she was even a YouTuber. I just want to say thank you, Amaru Cooks. I want to say thank you, Jolene Forbes, and last but not least, Les Forever. They have supported me so much. Thank you all, guys. Thank you. And once more, from my kitchen to wherever you are, it's just lots of love and continuous love. What do we have in store? Yes, it's nothing much. We'll just follow, we'll just go where the Jamaican cooking journey takes us. I know you're enjoying yourselves. I've seen it in the comment section. And those of you who are there, let's start it from the beginning. You're watching, but you never commented. I know a lot of you are there. You just watch and you never comment. Special thanks to you. Thank you so much. So, once more, from my kitchen to yours, it's our first Tube-versary. Yes, one of my YouTube friends told to call it that name. That's what he said to me. What are you doing for your Tube-versary? Thank you so much, guys. I love you. So from my little Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are there in YouTube land, love you.